Dun dun na 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 na. Welcome to Cooking with Goose. I'm Goose. Today we're making pasta e fagioli. I call it pasta fagioli. Other people call it pasta fagioli. Well, let's get cooking. Pasta e fagioli means pasta and beans. So you're gonna need pasta and beans. You're also gonna need onion, chicken broth, tomatoes, garlic, baby carrots, celery. Now we're going to cut all of our vegetables finely. I'm going to use the food processor. Let's start with our baby carrots. We're just going to throw them in. Bye. Next, peel your garlic. And plop it in. Goodbye. I don't like doing onion, so my dad's going to do it for me. Last but not least, celery. Cut the tops and the ends of your celery and cut your celery in half and put it in. Do that for every single celery you do. Now we're gonna finely chop our vegetables. Turn your stove to medium heat and pour your vegetables into a big pot like that one. Stir in a quarter cup of olive oil. While the vegetables are softening, we're going to puree 1 can of beans and some tomatoes. We like to puree the beans because it makes the soup thick and velvety. Now that our vegetables have softened, we're going to add our pureed beans and tomatoes and our 2 cans of regular beans in. That's a funny noise. Now that the beans are in, add liquid to cover all the ingredients. Stir in grated Parmesan for flavor. Simmer your soup until the beans are soft. And make your pasta. You can use any little pasta you like. I'm using tortellini. When the soup is almost ready, chop up some greens and put it in. Now put them in. Now it's time for seasoning. Use salt until it tastes good, and use a few other things like put some pasta in, some soup in, and enjoy. Now it's time to try it. Mmm. It's so hot, but it's so good, and I'm gonna enjoy the hotness, and I'm gonna keep eating. Like and subscribe. Bye. Dun 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 dun. My dad, blah blah blah. Why am I just doing